Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Entry Guide for Langley Grammar School. The topics covered in this video are linked in the timestamps within the video description below, so you can jump to a specific section if you would like to. When your child is preparing for the 11 Plus exam, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. The Exam Coach also offers fun and effective 11 Plus exam preparation workshops throughout the year. Just visit our website for all the information and our latest schedule. Again, the link is in the description below. Langley Grammar School was established in 1956 and is a co-educational selective grammar school in Langley, Berkshire. The school has specialisms in maths and computing. It has also been awarded multiple awards, including the Sports Mark and the Healthy Schools Silver Award. The school has a total of 1,176 students, with 180 places available for Year 7 entry. On average, there are approximately 6 or more applicants per place. The exam style used for Langley Grammar School is CEM 11 Plus for the Slough Consortium of Grammar Schools. The specific areas tested are English, Maths, Verbal Reasoning and Non-Verbal Reasoning. There are 2 60 to 65 minute exams. The pass mark changes every year. In 2016, it was 122. In 2020, it was 111. The latest information for this year's application process, including key dates, school catchment area, oversubscription policy, and contact information, are available on the Exam Coach website, linked below this video. Effective preparation is vital to doing well in the 11 Plus exam. We would recommend that you start revision and preparation as early as possible. With the help of Exam Coach 11 Plus workshops, you can begin building and consolidating your child's 11 Plus exam skills on a weekly basis. We also provide free practice tests and answers to reflect the types of questions that frequently appear in 11 Plus exams. In addition, your child can expand their vocabulary by tuning in to our daily Vocab Show podcast, available on YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, and Amazon Music. Finally, we recommend you read our 18-point 11 Plus exam preparation guide. Our workshops and resources are used by thousands of 11 Plus students every year. All of these resources can be found on our website, linked below this video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your 11 Plus application.